Hello, welcome to Spy Money. We are going to talk about a couple little things today that I think you're going to be interested in. One is, if you don't know, we have a free Ninja Trader 8 tips and tricks course. You click right here, you log in, and it's free, 100% free. There is no credit card or anything needed. Another thing is, if you want to know about any new products that we have coming out or trainings or whichever, then put in your name and email address and we'll send those to you. We don't sell these names or anything to anybody. It's only just to communicate with you. I don't send a lot of emails either. And one of the big things I want to talk to you today is the funded account. When you do the funded account, with any of these three are really good, but I want to specifically talk about Apex today. Today, through 6 p.m. Eastern Time, they have 80% off. 80%. So if you go click on there, use this coupon code. It will give you 80% through 6 o'clock tonight. And it's only for the first month. And then if you go ahead and do it, and then you don't get your evaluation pass, they will give you the 50% off on any month after that. So right now it's 80%. So that is huge. That is a really good deal. Apex, or customer service, is second to none. I found that their customer service is just over the top good. Whatever you do this, make sure that they have a trailing drawdown. And the trailing drawdown, whatever your highest balance is, whether you take the money or not, it will go from that. So let's say you have a $100,000 account and you need to, I think it's $5,000, or no, say $3,000 drawdown on a $100,000 account. So with the $3,000 drawdown, if you go up to 100 and say 5,000, and then you lose 3,000, over 3,000, then it's going to go ahead and break the rule, and you'll have to do a reset. So make sure that you watch that drawdown. Whenever you go there, you click on this button here, and they have different ones. Let's see if we go to sign up. Come down here. This one's actually not a bad one, the 50,000. I personally think the 150 is the best one. If you do the 150, that gives you a $5,000 trailing threshold. So in my opinion, that's probably one of the better ones. I started off with the 50s, and I pass them all the time, but I never do continue because I have my own account. But to pass them is really not that bad as long as you watch that trailing threshold. The only thing about Apex that I don't really like, but it's okay, is it takes about 6 months to really get your, where you can start drawing out some money. It's about the 3rd, 4th, and 5th month you can get a little bit of money, and then after that you can get all you want. They also pay out 90%, which is really good. Apex is a good company. They treat you good. Their customer service, like I said, is over the top. It's probably the best customer service that you'll have. And it's real quick, too. So as soon as you pass, the next day you have your account. So it's really easy. Can't say anything negative about the company. It's really good. They've been good to me. They take care of their people. If you have any issues, they've got a help desk right here. You click on that. You click whatever it is that you're looking for. They get back to you really quick. Customer service, I mean, it's just like I said, over the top good. So do this. Get on your, let's see here. Go back to my website at the funded account. Click on that. Use this discount code. If you don't use the discount code, you will not get the discount. So you got to use this code, and it will ring up 80% off. So right now is the best time to do that. UProfit still has the 30%. Earn to Trade's a really good one. I like it actually better than UProfit. Earn to Trade's really good, but they don't have a discount. If you're looking for something where you can wait on your money 6 months or so before you can start really drawing out a lot of money, that's your choice. It's a really good choice. It works really well. A lot of people ask about my bots. I have auto trading bots, and will they work on the funded accounts? Yes, they will. I have a lot of people that are making a lot of money on using the spot bot. I have one person that is making anywhere from $8,000 to $12,000 a day. He's trading 4 MQ contracts. He's doing really well with it. Have a lot of people making 500, 2,000, it's just across the board. How do you find out about these? Right up here is a Discord logo. It's a free Discord server, so you click on that. When you click on this, it will open up another page. And you put in your first name, last name, email, check this, and then when you click there, it will open up to the server, allow you to come in. It's 100% free. I don't charge for it. And you can go in there and you can look at the profits yourself that other people are posting. So whenever you do that, you can see for yourself what people are actually making. I don't pay anybody to post anything. No one gets anything free. None of that. It's real people, and they're in there just talking about the money they're making. If you want to contact me, click up here to the contact. My contact page is actually down right now, so if you want to email me at this email, then I usually get back to you almost instantaneous, usually, but it just depends what's going on. Really quick about communication, customer support, in my opinion, is number one, and that's what I do. I give the best customer support, I think, of probably any company, because I'm personal with it. I am the one that answers all the emails. It's not a different person or bot or anything like that. I take care of everything. But let me know what I can do to help you. And again, go in here to the funded account right up top. Use this discount coupon, 80% off 6 o'clock today, what is today? April 17th. Sunday, April 17th, Easter Sunday. So make sure you get that taken care of. Have any questions, let me know. Happy Easter, everybody. Spend some time with your family, and have a good time.